All right, as you all know, I've been testing out some products for HYanka. So far, I've been super pleased with all their equipment. Yeah, they are on Amazon. People have talked a little bit of smack about them, but so far they've been super impressive. Um, I love them. So basically, what I've got is I've got some of their new products they just came out with. I'm going to replace my 6.5s that I have up top, and we're going to go on with their new series here. So take a look at these guys. 6.5, 240 watts, so 480 total. 6.5s. I will post the link on Amazon for these guys. You can get them in, let's see, black, red, yellow, or orange. So I'm going to actually put these in and actually leave the covers off so it'll add some accents to the vehicle. Super nice magnet. Come really well packaged. Let's see. Got the two 6.5s. Then you've got the clips in case you need to hook it up, and it also comes with the connectors. Now you have to get your own wire, but you know that's pretty simple considering you probably want to wire it yourself anyways. Comes with little schematic showing all the features. 38.6 millimeter voice coil, 100 hertz to 10,000 hertz on the frequency response. It's got all the specs, all that good stuff on here. So feel free to look it up, check it out. I'll set up a video, let you see me take these out, which is probably going to be a chore since I have the boxes in the way. But definitely check them out. MX6S E2, so 4 ohm system. Again, there's the colors you can get: red, black, yellow, and orange. So super excited to get these things in. I'm going to get them unwrapped and see how they sound. Again, there's nothing wrong with the 6.5s that I currently have. I mean, they actually sound really good, but it's just a newer product that I want to see how it compares. So let's get this started. All right, got them unboxed. Again, I like the design. I like the cone shape. Really nice magnet on it. Really great connections. Looks pretty sturdy, durable. It does have I don't know if you can see it, the soldered leads going through. So super excited to get this thing put in. So I'll start on that now, and I'll start with the removal of the existing. All right, so here's a quick comparison. Again, this is what we're taking out. Definitely nothing wrong with them. They actually sound great. These are rated at 500 watts. These are all mid-range, so we're replacing mid-range with mid-range. Still looks good. Probably going to put those in the wife's Jeep. But if you look at the size comparison, just a huge difference in magnet size in comparison with these two. So as impressive as I was with those, or still am actually, I'm sure these are going to be quite a bit different. So we're going to get these in here, make sure I got enough room because it may be a tight fit, but let's get to it and see what we can do. All right, so what I ended up having to do is this spot up here, I was going to have to cut it, manufacture it, and fabricate some parts to get these to fit, even though they're just a little bit too deep for it. So what I did was I moved them down here and then moved the other mids up the top. Actually looks pretty good. Super impressed with it. Looks absolutely phenomenal. I'll turn it on now and let you hear what it sounds, although it doesn't do justice. But as far as quality, fit and finish, definitely recommend HYanka and their products, especially these 6.5s. So I've still got to adjust the amp and all that stuff on them, but absolutely phenomenal so far, and fit and finish good. Nothing bad to say, and they look aesthetically appeasing, so even enhances the overall aesthetic appearance. So thanks for watching, and look at the link down below so you can get your own set. You won't be disappointed.
Feeling like $1,000,000, still trying to live it up live in America. Grew up in the Appalachian Mountains, south of the Mason Dixon in a small town. Hop out, Walmart, late night, red box, move.
All right, so the 6.5 that I just showed you, I've got actually hooked up to the HYanka amp here. So that's what's actually pushing those up in the front. So sounds absolutely phenomenal, really clean and crisp and loud. So you get the best of both worlds. Quality sound and loud. Check them out. Check the link below.